Hello, I am Nandana Satyan from First MCA. Today I am presenting a seminar on the topic Film Defects in Wood Coating. Wood coating is used to protect and improve the appearance of wood surfaces, but sometimes different defects can occur during or after the coating process. In this seminar, I will explain the common types of film defects, their causes and possible prevention methods. I hope this presentation will give a clear understanding about the importance of proper coating techniques. This slide gives an introduction to advanced wood coatings. Advanced wood coatings are specially designed surface treatments used to protect, preserve, and improve the appearance of wood materials. These coatings act as a protective layer between the wood and the environment. Their main functions are protection, aesthetics, and durability. They protect wood from moisture, UV rays, and structures. They also enhance the natural grain, color and texture of the wood, making it more attractive. In addition, coatings increase the surface life and strength of wooden products. Different types of coatings such as polyurethane and UV cured coatings are commonly used for high performance and long-lasting finishes. This slide explains what film defects are in wood coatings. Film defects are visible imperfections that appear on the coated surface during or after the application process. These defects affect both the appearance and durability of the coating. As a result, the protective and decorative quality of the wood surface gets reduced. The formation of film defects mainly depends on four factors. First is the condition of the wood, including moisture content, porosity and surface cleanliness. Second is the quality of the coating material such as its formulation, viscosity and chemical properties. Third is the application method like brushing or spraying techniques and equipment setup. Finally, environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity and ventilation also influence defect formation. So proper surface preparation and correct application methods are important to avoid these defects. This slide provides an overview of film defects in wood coatings. Even small defects can gradually become major coating failures if they are ignored. This can reduce the durability and lifespan of wood products. Defects can occur due to several reasons such as poor material quality, improper application methods, unsuitable surface condition, or environmental factors like temperature and humidity. Film defects are not just appearance problems, they indicate damage in the protective coating system which can lead to faster degradation and expensive repair work. The defects are mainly grouped into three categories: surface defects, which affect texture and appearance; structural defects, such as cracking and peeling; and application defects, including pinholes, fish eyes, and bubbling caused during coating application. Therefore, understanding these defects is essential for maintaining quality and improving coating performance. This slide shows the common types of film defects in wood coatings. Blistering and bubbling occur when solvent vapor or moisture gets trapped under the coating surface. Cracking and creasing are surface fractures caused by brittleness or excessive coating thickness. Peeling and delamination happen when the coating loses adhesion and separates from the substrate or previous layer. Orange peel and pinholes are texture defects caused by improper application or trapped gases. Fish eyes appear as small crater-like spots due to silicone oil or contamination. Wrinkling occurs when the top layer dries faster than the layer underneath. Finally, discoloration refers to yellowing, staining, or uneven color appearance in the coating. This slide explains blushing, also called moisture blush, a common moisture defect in wood coatings. It appears as a milky white or cloudy layer in the clear coating which hides the natural wood grain. This defect is often seen in solvent-based lacquers. The main causes are high humidity and rapid solvent evaporation. When solvents evaporate quickly, the surface cools and moisture gets trapped inside the drying film. To prevent blushing, coating should be applied in controlled environments using slower evaporating solvents. If blushing occurs, it can be corrected by light sanding and applying a retarder solvent. This slide explains two common surface texture defects in wood coatings: orange peel and wrinkling. Orange peel gives the coating a rough, uneven texture that looks like the skin of an orange. It's mainly caused by high coating viscosity, fast thinner evaporation, or incorrect spray settings. It can be fixed by adjusting viscosity, using slower thinners, and sanding before recoating. Wrinkling appears as a distorted or folded surface texture. This happens when the top layer dries faster than the layers underneath, creating stress in the coating. To prevent this, apply thin, even coats and allow proper curing time between layers. This slide explains pinholing and solvent pop, which are common coating surface defects. These defects appear as tiny holes or small bubbles on the cured coating surface. They occur when solvents or trapped air try to escape through a partially dried coating. This is common with high drying temperatures, thick coating layers, or open-grained woods like oak. To prevent this defect, apply thin coats instead of thick layers, allow enough flash of time before drying, and use proper sealers for open-grained wood surfaces. In this slide, I am explaining the contamination defect called fish eyes or seizing. Fish eyes appear as small circular or crater-like depressions on the coating surface. These defects form when the coating pulls away from certain spots, sometimes exposing the wood surface or previous coating layer. The main cause is surface contamination. Materials such as silicone, oil, grease, wax, or polish residues reduce surface tension and prevent the coating from spreading evenly. To avoid this defect, proper surface cleaning and degreasing are very important. Also, silicone-based products should be avoided in coating or finishing areas to maintain a clean application environment. In this slide, I will discuss a type of stress failure defect called cracking and checking. These defects appear as visible cracks in the cured coating film. Checking refers to small fine cracks while creasing forms deeper interconnected cracks on the surface. The main cause is stress within the coating system. Since wood expands and contracts with moisture changes, a coating that is too brittle, too thick, or exposed to extreme temperatures and UV light may crack under tension. To prevent this defect, the wood should have the correct moisture content, usually around 6 to 8%. Usually, flexible coating system and maintaining the recommended coating thickness also helps improve durability and reduce cracking. In this slide, I will explain adhesion and flow failures, which are common defects in coating application. These defects affect how the coating sticks to the surface and how it spreads during application. The first defect is blistering. It appears as bubbles or swellings on the coated surface. This happens when moisture, trapped air, or solvent vapors expand underneath the cured coating layer. The second defect is peeling. This is a serious adhesion problem where the coating separates completely from the surface. It usually occurs because of poor surface preparation, contamination, or incompatibility between coating layers. The third defect is sagging and runs. This occurs when too much liquid coating is applied, especially on vertical surfaces. Due to gravity, the wet coating flows downward, creating drips, runs, and an uneven finish. Proper surface preparation, correct coating thickness, and controlled application methods help prevent these defects. This slide explains the main root causes of film defects in coating processes. The first cause is poor surface preparation. Dust, oil, or rough surfaces reduce proper adhesion. The second factor is moisture content. Wood should normally have less than 12% moisture before coating to avoid defects. Another cause is application errors such as wrong viscosity, uneven film thickness, or poor spray technique. We also have contamination from silicone, wax, or grease, which can create fish eyes and surface problems. Finally, curing conditions like incorrect temperature or humidity can affect proper film formation. Overall, most film defects are preventable through good process control and proper coating practices. This slide explains the core preventive measures for achieving a good finishing process. First, proper surface preparation is essential. The wood must be cleaned, degreased, and sanded properly before coating, and the correct moisture level should be maintained. Second, the right application technique should be followed. Applying thin and even coats gives better results than heavy coats, and spray equipment should be calibrated correctly. Third, environmental control is important. Temperature, humidity, and ventilation must be maintained to avoid uneven curing and finishing defects. Finally, using good quality and compatible materials improves durability and overall finish quality. These measures help reduce defects and improve the final appearance and performance of the coating. This slide presents a case study on fisheye defects in a furniture factory. A furniture manufacturer experienced widespread fisheye cratering on dining tables coated with UV cured lacquer. The investigation found that the main cause was silicone contamination from a furniture polish used during sanding, along with poor air filtration in the spray booth. To solve the issue, the company switched to silicone-free cleaning agents, upgraded the filtration system, and added a fisheye eliminator to the lacquer. As a result, the defect rate was reduced significantly from 18% to less than 0.5% within 2 production cycles. I am concluding my seminar by saying film defects are among the most common and costly problems in wood finishing. However, the encouraging point is that most defects can be prevented through proper surface preparation, correct application methods, and effective curing practices. Early identification of defects helps avoid major coating failures and improves overall product quality. At the same time, process control and environmental monitoring are essential for maintaining consistency in production. Ultimately, achieving a flawless wood finish requires a combination of technical knowledge, precision, and continuous quality control. By understanding and preventing film defects, manufacturers can produce durable and high-quality finishes that meet industry standards. Thank you.